Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is AJTV, kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kaalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. And for today's video, we're going to talk about perimeter. To solve for perimeter, we need to use a formula. And this formula varies from shape to shape, meaning iba't iba ang formulang gagamitin natin depende sa shape. And for today's video, we're going to calculate for the perimeter of three basic shapes. And what are those? We have the square, rectangle, and triangle. So pag-aaralan natin kung paano nga ba isolve ang perimeter ng mga shape nito. Let's begin with the square. In order to solve for the perimeter of a square, we're going to use the formula 4S. For rectangle, we're going to use the formula 2L plus 2 width. Since ang opposite side of a rectangle ay equal. So that's why it's 2L plus 2 width. And then for triangle, we're going to use the formula A plus B plus C. Actually, perimeter is just i-add lang natin yung lahat ng side ng isang shape para makuha na natin siya. Pero we're going to use the formula para mas mapadali natin may compute yung perimeter. Especially dito with the square and rectangle, since both square and rectangle ay may special characteristic. Dito kay square, ang kanyang special characteristic, all sides are equal. So kapag i-compute natin yung perimeter niya, kung hindi natin alam yung formula, ang gagawin lang natin i-add lahat ng sides niya. But what if hindi natin alam yung characteristic ni square? So medyo mahihirapan tayo dyan. So that's why we're going to use the formula 4S. So the same thing with rectangle. So that is the importance of formula. If ever na hindi natin alam yung characteristic ng shape. Kay triangle naman, so ito po ay kahit na gamitin lang natin yung formula o hindi, ang gagawin lang naman natin i-add ang sides niya. So wala naman kasing special characteristic ang triangle since ang triangle ay iba-iba. May iba't ibang klase ng triangle. Kaya ang formula lang to compute for the perimeter of triangle is to just add the given sides. So let's start. So paano nga ba kukunin ang perimeter ni square? So I have 3 examples of a square here. So kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, pwede naman natin i-compute ang perimeter using the sides o given sides. Eh paano kung ganito? Isa lang yung given, 16 feet. Hindi mo alam yung characteristic ni square. So paano mo may kukompute yan? So dyan tayo dadaan na paggamit ng formula. Given that, halimbawa lang i-assume natin na hindi nyo alam yung characteristic ni square. So gagamitin natin yung formula na P is equals to 4S. So hahanapin natin yung perimeter ni square. Yung 4 ay constant. So ang gagawin na natin, i-bring down that. And then i-multiply natin yung given, which is yung 16 feet. So therefore, the perimeter of this square here is 4 times 16, which is equal to 64 feet. So do not forget the unit, which is feet. So for number 2, perimeter is 4S. And then 4 multiplied by 1. So yun yung given. So therefore, ang perimeter ng second square ay 4 inches. And for the third square here, so we have 18 yards. So use the formula P is equal to 4S. We will go into substitute S by 18 since yung 18 yung given natin here. And then 4 multiplied by 18 is 72 yards. Okay, moving on. So try naman nating hanapin ang perimeter ni square. So given that hindi pa rin natin alam ang characteristic ni square, which is yung two sides are equal. So ibig sabihin kung 9 to, magiging 9 din to. Kung 3 to, 3 din yun. Kung alam natin yon, wala tayong problema kundi i-add lang natin yung 4 na sides. Pero kung hindi natin alam, gamitin natin tong formula na 2L plus 2 width. So let us start. Perimeter is equals to 2L plus 2 width. So yung length natin, yung laging yung siya yung mas mahaba, i-substitute natin. So ang L natin is 9 at yung W natin or width natin is 3. Then 2 times 9 is 18 plus 2 times 3 is 6. Now, combine natin. 18 plus 6 is 24 centimeters. So, ang perimeter ng rectangle na to ay 24 centimeters. For number 5, so the same thing, we're going to use the formula P is equals to 2L plus 2 width. So, substitute lang natin yung ating given. So, ang mas malaki ay 6 inches, ibig sabihin siya yung ating magiging length. So, substitute natin 2 times 6 plus 2 times 4. 2 times 6 is equals to 12 and 2 times 4 is equals to 8. Therefore, ang perimeter ng rectangle na ito ay 20. So, i-check natin kung gagamitin natin yung characteristic na opposite sides are equal. So, kung ito ay 4, gawin natin itong 4. Kung ito ay 6, gawin natin itong 6 kasi yan ang characteristic ni rectangle. So, try natin kung alam natin yan at di natin gagamitin itong formula kung magiging 20 rin. O, add lang natin. Kagaya na sinabi ko kanina, ang perimeter is simply adding the sides of the given shape. So, 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 4 is 16 plus 4 is equal to 20 inches. O, di ba? Same lang. So, madali lang hanapin ang perimeter kahit di natin alam ang formula dahil ina-add lang naman natin ang mga sides nito. However, kailangan natin ang formula ng pagkuha ng perimeter if hindi natin alam ang characteristic or special characteristic ng given shape, especially ng square at ng rectangle. And also, kailangan natin yung formula kung ibang dimension ang hinahanap at hindi perimeter. So, gagamit natin yung formula. So, for triangle, so proceed lang naman tayo doon sa pinaka-default natin, which is i-add lang natin lahat ng shape. Dahil kagaya ng sinabi ko sa inyo, may iba't ibang uri kasi ng triangle. So, meron tayong scalene triangle, meron tayong acute triangle, meron tayong right triangle. So, hindi natin magagamit yung formula o wala tayong pwedeng gamitin ng formula for perimeter kung triangle ang pinag-uusapan. Pero ibang case kung area ang hahanapin natin kasi ibang topic naman yun. Okay, try natin hanapin ang perimeter nitong first triangle. Yan, di ba? Ang formula ng perimeter is A plus B plus C. Decide kung anong side yan ang gusto mong A, B, or C. In this case, this is an equilateral triangle. So, pare-pares lang yung sides niya. Kahit alin dyan, ilagay mo yung A, B, or C. Pare-pares lang naman silang 4. So, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Therefore, ang perimeter ng first triangle is 12 yards. Sa second triangle naman, we have isosceles triangle. So, A plus B plus C pa rin yung ating formula. Add lang natin yung mga sides. So, 9 plus 9 plus 4 is 22 inches. And for the last one, we have the scalene triangle. So, i-add natin. I-decide nyo na lang kung sinong gusto nyo gawing A, kung sinong gawin yung B, kung sinong gawin yung C. It doesn't matter in any order. Okay lang yan. Okay, formula is A plus B plus C. And then, substitute lang natin 9 plus 15 plus 12. So, therefore, ang perimeter ng third triangle is 36 feet. So, inad lang natin yung tatlong side. Paano naman pag given si perimeter at nawawala ang isa sa mga dimension ng given shape? So, ganito lang siya. Example, meron tayo dito na given si perimeter is 14. Ang length ay 4 at ang width ang nawawala. So kahit nawala po kung illustration na inilagay dyan, madali natin ma-identify kung anong klaseng shape yan. So tingnan na natin yung given. Meron tayong length at meron tayong width. Ibig sabihin rectangle yung pinag-uusapan natin. Kasi kung square yan, dapat S ang inilalagay dyan. At kung triangle naman yan, A, B, or C. Yun yung representation natin dyan, di ba? So since L and W yan, rectangle yan. So ano po ba ang formula ni rectangle? P is equals to 2L plus 2 width. So, yung pinato, papalitan natin ng given, which is yung 14. So, that's why naging 14 to. And then, 2, at yan, times yung length natin, yung given natin na 4. Ayan. Plus 2W. Yung W yung hinahanap natin, kaya hindi natin mapapalitan yun. Next, syempre, i-multiply natin to. So, ang sagot sa 2 times 4 ay 8. Kaya meron tayong 8 dito. And then, after that, gagamitin natin subtraction property of equality kung saan kung anong i-minus ko sa right, i-minus din natin sa left. So, 8 minus 8 ay 0. So, mapapansin natin na wala na siya sa side ni 2W. Kundi, nagkaroon na dito sa kabila. Which is kasi nag-minus din tayo ng 8 dito. So, anong answer? Sa 14 minus 8? 6. Yun. So, kung mapapansin natin, may 2 pa rin si W. Ang hinahanap lang natin ay W. So, kailangan natin eliminate itong 2 na yan. So, paano natin i-eliminate yan? By dividing both sides sa given na numerical coefficient. So, meron tayong 2 dito, di ba? Kailangan natin maalis si 2. So, i-divide natin both sides by 2. Kung ito ay 3, sa 3 natin i-divide. Kung 4, sa 4. O, since 2 yan, sa 2 natin i-divide. So, makakancel na natin yung dalawang 2 dito. And ang answer natin ay 3. Kasi 6 divided by 2 ay 3. So, ang ating missing dimension is 3 yards. Okay. So, itingnan natin kung tama yung sagot natin. I-check natin. So, use pa rin natin yung formula na 2L plus 2 width. So, 2 times yung given natin length, which is 4, plus 2 times yung nakuha nating width, which is 3. So, 2 times 4 ay 8, plus 2 times 3 is 6. So, kunin natin yung sum. 8 plus 6 ay 14. Kung mapapansin natin, parehas yung given natin at dito sa checking natin. Since parehas sila, ibig sabihin ang answer natin ay tama. Okay. So next, perimeter is equals to 52 meters at ang side ay nawawala. So S yun nandyan, ibig sabihin square ang pinag-uusapan dito. At ang formula for the perimeter of square is P is equal to 4S. Given yung perimeter, so yung P papalitan natin ng 52 kasi 52 yung perimeter na nakalagay. Equals 4S. So S ang kailangan natin pero may 4 sa S. O kailangan nating ma-eliminate si 4. So parang kagaya lang nung kanina. So since ito ay 4, sa 4 natin sila i-divide. Yan. And then, ang makukuha nating side ay 13 meters. So 52 divided by 4 ay 13. So yan ang ating sides o missing dimension. So i-check ulit natin. P is equals to 4S. P is equals to 4 times ano yung nakuha nating sides? 13. O multiply natin. 4 times 13 is 52. Ayan, di ba? Parehas sila. Meaning, our answer is correct. Okay. Next one. We have the given perimeter is equals to 36 yards. A is equals to 9 yards. B is equals to 12 yards. And C is missing. Nawawala yung third side. So, ano ulit yung formula natin? For triangle, P is equals to A plus B plus C. So, ano po yung given natin na perimeter? 36. Si A, 9. Si B, 12. At nawawala si C. Yan. Ang una natin gagawin, i-add yung dalawang to. 9 plus 12 is 21. And then, using subtraction property of equality, ima-minus natin sa left at sa right ang the same answer o the same number. So, since ito ay 21, para matanggal yan, maging 0, i-minus mo rin sa 21. Kung nag-minus tayo ng 21 dito, mag-minus din tayo ng 21 sa kabila. So, magiging ganito siya. So, nawala na siya sa part ni C kasi nga magiging 0 na yon. So, ngayon, ito ang sasagutan natin. 36 minus 21 ay 15. Therefore, ang measurement ni C o ng third side ng triangle ay 15 yards. O, i-check ulit natin kung tama yung sagot natin. So, using the formula A plus B plus C, and then yung ating first side is 9, yung ating B ay 12, at ang ating nakuha na measurement for the third side is 15. So, the answer is 36, which is the same sa given perimeter. So, since nag-match sila at parehas ang answer natin, therefore, our answer is correct. To further understand our lesson for today, please answer this activity. Maaari po nating i-post ang video nito para magkaroon tayo ng mas mahabang oras sa pagsasagot. Okay, let us check. So, number 1. So, ang given natin ay ang perimeter which is 100 meters at hinahanap natin yung side. So, titingnan lang natin yan dahil S ang nawawala, automatic alam na natin na square yan. At ang formula to find for the perimeter of square is P is equal to 4S. Given natin yung perimeter which is 100 meters. Ayan, sinubstitute na natin. Equals 4S. Kailangan lang natin ay S pero may 4 pa. Kailangan natin eliminate si 4 by dividing both sides by 4. Ayan. So therefore, ang ating missing dimension for number 1 is 25 meters. Okay. For number 2, P is equals to 36 inches. So yan ang ating given, 36 inches. Length is missing, width is equals to 8. May length at width tayo, ibig sabihin rectangle ang ating pinag-uusapan. At ano po ang formula for the perimeter of rectangle? 2L plus 2 width. So substitute lang natin si 36 ay si perimeter ay 36. So papalitan natin yung P ng 36. Equals 2L plus 2 times yung given natin na width which is 8. Okay, next. 36 is equals to 2L plus 16. Ba't po siya naging 16? 2 times 8 is 16. Ngayon, kailangan natin mapaalis yung 16 doon o mawala ang 16 dito by using SPE. I-minus natin ang 16 both sides to make it 0. Ito maging 0 siya. I-minus natin 16. At kung nag-minus tayo ng 16 dito, mag-minus tayo ng 16 sa kabila ng equation. So, ayan. So, ngayon, napansin natin na nag-iisa na si 2L dito sa right. At ang gagawin lang natin ay sagutan to. What is 36 minus 16? That is 20, which is equal to 2L. Pero dahil length lang ang kailangan natin, we need to get rid of 2 by dividing both sides by 2. Yan, dinivide natin magkabila ang sides na equation by 2. And the answer for the missing dimension is 10 inches. Okay. So, do not forget to write the unit. That is very important. Next, P is missing. Ayan, no, si perimeter ang nawawala. So, gagamitin natin yung normal na formula or simply add lang natin yung lahat ng given sides which is 6, 6, and 4. So, perimeter of a triangle is equals to A plus B plus C. Substitute natin 6 plus 6 plus 4. That is equal to 16 inches. So, that is the perimeter of that triangle. Okay, next. Perimeter is missing. We have the given length which is 15 centimeters and given width which is 11 centimeters. By just looking at the given here, we can easily identify that we are talking about a rectangle. And to calculate for the perimeter of a rectangle, we need to use the formula P is equals to 2L plus 2 width. So P is equals to 2, substitute the value of length which is 15 plus 2 times substitute the value of width which is 11 centimeters. Then 2 times 15 is 30 plus 2 times 11 is equals to 22. Getting the sum of these terms, we will going to have 52 centimeters. Okay, for number 5, we have perimeter is equals to 17 inches, A is equals to 8 inches, B is equals to 6 inches, and C is missing. So dito sa case na to, nakita natin that the given are A, B, and C in that format. So malalaman na natin agad na ito ay triangle. And to calculate for the perimeter of a triangle, we need to use the formula A plus B plus C or simply add the sides of the given triangle. So i-add lang natin. So given the perimeter which is 17, isa-substitute natin siya sa P. And then yung A, substitute by 8 and B, substitute by 6. Next step ay pagsasamahin lang natin si 8 plus 6 which is equal to 14. And in order to get rid of that 14, we need to use the subtraction property of equality or SPE. So minus natin both sides by 14. Ayan, minus na natin both sides by 14 to make it 0. So magiging 0 na to sa side ni C and mapupunta siya dito sa kabila. So 17 minus 14 is equals to 3. So therefore, the missing dimension of that triangle is equals to 3 inches. Okay, nakuha po ba natin tama ang lahat ng mga katanungan? Okay, mahusay. Sana po ay meron muli tayong natutunan para sa araw na ito. Muli, this is AJTV kung saan ating pag-aaralan ang mga pangunahing kalaman at konsepto na may kinalaman sa matematika. Kung meron po tayong mga topic na nais may discuss sa mga susunod na video, please comment down below. Hanggang dito na lamang po. Paalam!